Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a spin animation for text in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Align the text layer onto the screen and adjust its duration by dragging the edge. Open the Effect Controls panel by going to Window and selecting Effect Controls. Select the text layer and go to the rotation setting. Add the first keyframe with the text at 0 degrees rotation. Move the timeline forward a few seconds and add another keyframe with the text at 360 degrees rotation. Adjust the timing of the keyframes to control the speed of the spin. You can also use ease in and ease out to smooth the animation. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text spin smoothly from start to finish. Now you know how to create a spin animation for text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.